What's up guys, I'm Sean. This video is going to be about seat mounts on my track car. I'm currently running VAC Motorsports seat mounts with my Sparco Pro 2000 seat. I'm also using sliders. The slider makes it convenient sliding back and forth, but actually allows the seat to have a lot of flex. And this flex is one, not safe because it could be another point of failure as far as the sliders go. But more importantly, if you're in the seat and the seat flexes, that's a slight delay for you to feel what the car is doing. You definitely want the seat to be solid mounted, so any kind of movement in the chassis, you feel it right away. So I went with this Garage-gistic seat mounts because it has a lot more options. It's a lot taller, and there's plenty of holes for it to mount to the floor mount. Whereas the VAC, the VAC Motorsport mount, there's only 4 holes here, 3 here, and with the slider is about 1 inch high. Gets me perfect when I run the Hans device. You don't want to be sitting lower than the harness or way too high. You want to be just about parallel to your roll bar. So that's why I'm running the seat mount. First I'm going to measure where it's currently at with the slider and this solid mount to the floor mount. It's about right there and about right here. So when I remove the slider and this seat mount, I'm going to know where to install it. I'm going to get the seat exactly where I want it, and I'm going to measure this so I can figure out where to put this. The seat's out of the way. You can see that this VAC floor mount only has 3 slots in the front, 3 slots in the back. The sliders alone, not including the seat mounts, weigh 5 pounds. So 5 pounds is a lot of weight, especially coming from the driver's side. So I'm glad to be removing this slider. I loosely installed the side mounts to the bucket seat, and I'm gonna put it into the car. Seat dropped into the car. I have a general idea. I taped this earlier to where the seat should be compared to the floor mount. So I'm kind of angle it to where I think it should be. Put 1 or 2 bolts to the floor mount. Get in the seat and see how it feels before I put the final screws down and tighten it up. Alright guys, everything done. The side bracket's mounted to the floor mount now. So without the slider, there's 1 less point of failure. And also, the seat is more solid than before. Definitely less flex. And I ordered a new steering wheel, so I'm going to get rid of this steering wheel because this thing looks pretty ghetto. So look out for that video too. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.